I'm going to show you how to calculate pips on MetaTrader 4 or MQL4. First off, guys, we got to see where you want to find out where are your digits. So if you're trading on different currency pairs or off of different futures or CFDs or cryptocurrencies, and the digits always change, the pips amount always change. What you want to do is go through here, go to specification, and you'll see how many digits. And we're going to be using that in the programming language, MQL4, to help determine the amount of pips. See how we go through all these, and they're all different. Digits, 2 digits. This is 2 digits. So we're going to show an easy beginner way in how to do that, okay? So next thing we're going to do is go to here, right here, MetaQuotes. Once you open up MetaQuotes, go to the new, go to Expert Advisor, and here we're going to type in, you can type any name you want here, but we're going to call it Calc Tips for Beginners, okay? Calc Tips for Beginners. We're going to open that up. Our first thing we're going to do, we're going to need to create a function first, okay? Now we're going to go to the very, very bottom of the code. Nothing's round, okay? Now while there, we're going to make it a double. We'll create a double. And we're going to call this Calc Pips. Now in Calc Pips, we're going to use our brackets. Start that out off easy. We'll create another double called Pips. All right. And here, we're going to create our ifs, okay? So, and this if is going to be very easy. We're going to use digits, okay? So underscore DID, digits right here, and you'll see it's in pink. We're going to use equals equals. Double equals is going to be basically checking to see if it's true or false. And for here, if the pair that we're using, or the CFD, whatever we're using, has only 1 as a digit, we're going to use this right here, a 1.0, and we're going to make it pips equals 1.0. Now, don't use 2 equal signs, use 1. 2 means it's going to verify. So if digits for the current symbol equals 1, it's going to read this out. So now we're going to do something very easy. We're going to copy it a bunch of times, okay? Just keep copying it, I think about 5 or 6 times. Give me a second. Right, so remember, this is for beginners. It's very easy. So you can calculate digits very fast, okay? Our next one's going to be, if digits are 2, it's not going to be 1.0 anymore, okay? It's going to be 0.1, okay? And if its digits are 3, you can do this right here. Digits equals 0.10. And if digits equals 4, 0.001. Digits equals 5, same thing, 0.0001. Okay? And you guys can change this to different amounts, like if you need digits to be a different value, you guys can change it to more zeros. It's just a very easy template, okay? If you have 6 digits, for example, maybe trading some cryptocurrency, right? You can do 0.01, right? And our next thing we're going to do, guys, is make a return value. So for this function, you need to return. Okay. While we have that, we type in our return. Here we go. And we're going to return pips. So when we call calc pips, this is what we're going to get, one of these values, 1 through 6, okay? Now we bring this up and go to the on tick, and we're going to double check, okay? Okay, so once we do that, we'll be here. We go to, we're going to make it very simple. We're going to do a comment, okay? And the comment will be, let's see, how many pips is the following, right? So we put in, let's say we put 100. So as an example, following. Let's do this as an example. Say 100 pips for the currency pair or whatever symbol. Okay, equals, do a space, plus 100 times pips, right? And then it will show us what it equals to in pips, okay? We hit F7 to see if there's any errors. No errors. Remember, it's very simple, easy beginner code. And it's called, once again, Calc Pips for Beginners. Oh, sorry about that. Go back to here. Just go to any currency pair you want. It doesn't really matter. We can do here. We use USD CAD. All right. So we have our Calc Pips for Beginners. We hit OK. And remember, it's going to be a comment, so it's going to show in the top left-hand corner right here. Okay. So you have that happy face right here, Calc Pips for Beginners, and you'll see how many pips is the follow. How many pips is the amount for? Comes out to 0.01. Okay, so we can go back. We can change this up. How many pips is the following? My bad. Right now, you can say this is. You can actually make this an alert too. So it'll pop up like that on a window. And if we want to change it up, we can say 300. And remember, this is easy code. So what is 300 pips? Okay. Oh, my bad. Once again. See, 300 pips equals to 0.03. Now, if we go to a different currency pair, like let's do USD ZAR chart window. Give me a second. Let's do something I'm not in. USD THB. All right. And we'll do Calc for Beginners. Let it run. And you'll see 0.003. Let's try, let's do Litecoin. For example, we'll do Calc for Beginners. Hit OK. See, it's 300 pips equals 30. Now it's kind of hard to see, but you guys can you guys see it right here. That's right. 300 pips equals 30. And this is a very easy way to calculate pips. Now, what could you use this for? You can use this for target profits, stop losses, calculations for lot sizes. If you want to change it up from lots to pips, if you wanted to, you can change up to many different things. But this is a basic way to make a simple double function and calculate the digits. You can change this to symbol, and for each symbol that comes up, if it's the same thing, boom. So there's different things you can put in there to make it very simple. But remember, this is a beginner's guide, okay, for calculating pips. So if you have any question or comments, let me know. I'm not going to post this on my website because it's such simple code. You guys can read it and see what it is right here. But other than that, guys,